Looking for a solid tanker opportunity? Meet MT3 Sunyeong. Now available on Mariniz.com. Built in 2003, she is a reliable vessel. This Korea-flagged tanker delivers a focused commercial opportunity with an LOA of 79.90 meters and DWT of 2,380 metric tons. She is suited for buyers who understand practical tonnage and commercial utility. Powered by HANSHIN LH36 LAG 2563 PS main engine, MT3. Sunyeong is the kind of vessel that draws serious buyer interest. Class: KR class. GRT/NRT. 998 tons. Type: tanker. Name: MT3 Sunyeong. If you are in the market for a quality tanker, don't waste time chasing scattered listings. Find verified ship sale opportunities on Mariniz.com. Visit now and inquire today.